Let's learn how to get the length of a list. So let's look at our current list over here. So this is similar to strings. You might think there would be a length method, and if you look in the list of methods, there is no length method. So Python is kind of funny like this. There's a function that you use. So the function is just built in. That means it's available at any time during your program. So it's called len. So you do len, open parentheses, and then pass your list in there, and that will return the number of items in the list. This is no different than, we had some string we created, and strings also do not have a length method, right? There's no length method. To get the length of a string, you do the same thing, len of s. So this is, we'll be using this len function for all sorts of different data structures in Python to get its length. This is just a common way of using Python, is this len function and not some len method.